Robotic process automation. So what exactly is it? Robotic process automation can be defined as a software that mimics the user actions and executes the process to save the time and increase the efficiency. Why RPA? Due to the high rise on the demand in the labor force, automated systems such as RPA can be of great help to complete repetitive basic office tasks. The cost of such systems are low and operation management are cheaper. Because of this, it is expected that BPO companies and back office will shift from manual outsourcing of labor force to automated systems. The development of automated systems can reduce the money, time, and resources spent on labor force. What the RPA can do for you? It can do the actions like logging into any application, entering some data into it, and moving the files and folders from one place to another. It is capable of being connected to databases, and it can send out emails with attachments in it. Then the benefits of RPA. There are a bunch of benefits that you can actually see. They are cost reduction, higher accuracy and quality, reduced human error, better speed, advanced analytics, regulatory compliance. Then, where can we actually implement this RPA? There are a bunch of other domains too where we can implement RPA. Few are human resources, the HR department. It can be adopted to automate HR operations like onboarding, offboarding, and policy submissions. Then healthcare. Here, RPA can be used for handling patient records, claims, customer support, account management, billing, reporting, and analytics. Then, finance. Companies from financial domain can use RPA to automate the debit and credit payments, insurance code creation, claims, and reconciliation. And in customer care, it can be used by service companies to automate the verification, retrieval, and information providing tasks. The trend of RPA, this is how it looks like. So it's from 2004 to 2019 almost. As you can see in the image, the trend of RPA in the market is increasing day to day. With such a rise in the market, it has proven itself to be the hot cake in the market by providing the potential to increase productivity of enterprises. What opportunities might it lead to? There are a lot of opportunities that are going to be there in the future, and right now for that matter, developers, team leaders, consultants, project managers, architects have a lot of opportunity in RPA. As we can see, the RPA wave has just started. There's going to be a huge opportunity for a very large amount of quality trained human resources in RPA. Grab it. Few tools available in the market are UiPath, Blueprism, Automation Anywhere, WorkFusion, and there are other 10 other tools available in the market. For the purpose of this course, we'll be learning UiPath.